Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I am here with a pretty exciting video. Apple may have canceled AirPower, but I picked up this AirPower clone on eBay for about $30. It took about a week and a half to get here. It's actually from California. It's not one of the ones that came from China. I mean, it came from China, but it shipped from eBay, or from the eBay seller from California. And we're going to take a look at it and see how close it is to the real thing, or what the real thing is supposed to be. And we're going to see how it works, and I'll show you why I picked this one. There's actually a pretty interesting reason. I also have my AirPower skin that I purchased from D brand, so we're going to see if that fits on here, and if it does, we'll use it. So taking the packaging off, one of the cool things is, well, at least on the eBay listing, it said AirPower on the box, but this box does not say AirPower on it, unfortunately. Was kind of hoping it would. It just says 3-in-1 fast wireless charging. So the output is 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts for the phone. So it's got two Qi chargers for phones, and then the middle one will charge the watch, which is 2 watts. It's wrapped up kind of like an Apple product. It looks almost like an Apple product. I guess this is the front right there. Yeah, that's the front. The back, it's like all backwards. Okay, so that's the front, or the top. So let's take a look at it. Ooh, ooh, come on. Okay, don't cut the seam. I was really hoping it was going to say AirPower on the box, but people on eBay like to lie apparently. Kind of like Apple packaging. So here is the unit itself. Definitely feels kind of flimsy right out of the box. It does use a proprietary power connection with an AC adapter, it looks like, in the box. I'll show you that in a second. So right here is where the Apple Watch would go. I do have my Apple Watch, so I will try to charge everything and see what devices this does and doesn't charge. I have my iPhone as well as my S10, so we'll try the phone and stuff like that. Let's see, a little instruction thing with what it supports on there, and then we have the AC wall adapter right here. So I'll plug it in and we'll see what it supports. Let's see. First things first is, will the AirPower skin fit? And it looks like it may hang over a little bit. It's not wide enough. The edges, this one's a little bit longer than the AirPower was supposed to be. I don't know if D brand was using the actual AirPower dimensions. Let me find my plug real quick and let's give this thing some power. So we do have some LEDs on the front there. I don't know if you can see them. This one is a little red. So first things first, let's try the Galaxy S10. My Galaxy S10 is kind of dirty. So it's charging right here, and it is fast wireless charging. Let's try it here. So it is charging there as well, and it is fast wireless charging there as well. So it looks like it doesn't say what charges what. I think one of these sides is, well, it fast charges them both, so they both have to be a fast charger. And then we'll try the iPhone, and the iPhone is charging. Try the other side, and charging again, no issues. We'll try the Apple Watch and the watch spot. And the watch is charging. So everything works. The only difference between this and AirPower is the fact that you have to put the watch in a certain spot. You can't place anything anywhere. You see, if I put the S10 there, it doesn't charge. Looks like the middle light stays on all the time, and the other two indicate they are charging. Let's see. Yep. So that is pretty cool that it works. Would I recommend it for $30? I mean, overall, like, I mean, it works now. I don't know how the quality will be over time. I don't know what the, you know, the fast charging is going to be like. It doesn't appear to have a fan. It does have some vents on the bottom, but that looks like it is about it. But that is the AirPower clone. I'm going to try to see if I can find some more of these, maybe a different version. I know people like Everything Apple Pro have reviewed some of these. I'm going to check and see if, I think this is the one he got or close to it, but I'm going to see if I can find a little bit better clone that maybe is more realistic in size, because I really want something to put this D brand skin on. I think that would be really cool if we can actually use that and have a functional wireless charger. This has been Colin with Techout. This is the clone AirPower. I will leave a link down in the description to eBay if you want to purchase it. Not sure how long this seller is going to be selling them or how many they have, so do check it out while you can. If they're out, they're out. I'm only going to link the seller I bought them from because I can't tell you that the other ones are going to be the same. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.